Yeah, bless up my viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, man. Big up. Don't know what's the new link there, and people seeing. And right now, bless on me other device, people say, you know, the quality kind of different. You get me, I say? So, right about now, people, I tell about a thing going in the States, you know, in a Virgin of people. Because, yo, may I tell us some things can happen sometime, yo, on the journal, people. Because, right now, people, seeing, a Jamaican national, a restaurant owner, in a Virgin now, people, is now dead. Zane, and the next man who deny him restaurant people, because this man, you know, he's 65 years old, Jamaican, and the other man, him are 57 people. You understand? And they said that the two of them was in their restaurant people, and boy, the next man who is in custody right now, who is 37 years old, is the one responsible for this killing people. And the police, them must say, yo, them don't know what really happened, what caused the man to kill, what, like if it's a fight or an argument, but what could have caused the brother, you know, to kill them two man of people. See? And in the end, when I really talk about this story, because several things happen out there I want to really cover, you understand? And it just show you this, when I see a man left Jamaica, people, going to the States or go wherever you go, different countries, and leave any other country, could that be Barbados, could that be Trinidad, St. Kitts, Bahamas, any other country, and go anywhere for better. And you see them push up themselves and start off a business. You know what I mean? Until them set them things, build them house and buy them things, people. And you have some little waste people, seeing, who just come cut them out like that. You get me? That's why I tell the people, imagine, you know, he's a Jamaican and him going to the States and him that go reach him man and biz, and all of them must them know what the fool is the cause. But just to tell you people, it's out there everywhere. The demons has been let go, the devil is let go everywhere out there. You understand? And we know, as we just say, you are rough and the tough people, but boy, Mr. say, anyway, things can reach you in this thing, you know. Anyway, because the heart of mankind is so cruel and wicked, you know. And see it, you know, and at the end, US cannot run away from them thing now, you know, people, because it's been out there now, and right now several other countries want them guests, them tourists now, just like all them that want say, yo, don't go Jamaica, them I want them now say about these things that been taking place in the United States. You get me, I say? So on a real level now, my people, yo, it's everywhere, man. I'm just want to send out my condolences to this man. Come see, there's a brother who love all them cricket game and them thing, the people, yo, me I tell you, yo, it is sad, man. I don't know what happened to the heart of mankind nowadays, people. You see me? Imagine I work so hard. But remember back then, maybe you work so hard in your country, in Jamaica, and you get a little chance going to the States. You can build up yourself now. At 65, you relax, you have your local business, your local family, you have your local house, plus you have your things them at Jamaica. And boy, just come cut you down like that. And that 65 years, maybe you could have get even 120 more penny, make it 85. The whole heap of life, that same way, you know, people. Yo, me I tell you, yo. John Star, it turn up everywhere, people. It turn up. My viewers and my subscribers, all when you only want to do, you know, you just be safe out there, you know, my people. Zine, just be safe. You understand? All of them say you cannot be too careful, but you protect yourself. Because you don't want nothing happen to none of my viewers and my subscribers. Because straight attack me, I go jump on them. Zine, rest in peace to the brother there again. Don't well think of people. We're upon it, and we are pushing upon it. They're in the car, I make it, you know what I mean? And stroll on the road, so enough love people, and enough respect, and be safe. Zine, happy Saturday, man. Blessings, people. Attack on them new link. Big up, gone.